Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 6 Capstone high best fashion. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you including Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment, all other Word assignment, you can hire me. Please contact me on WhatsApp or email I have mentioned in the description of this video. My email and WhatsApp number is showing at the bottom of the screen also. You can hire me for other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, etc. Let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step. So title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 6 Capstone high best fashion. First step of the assignment is to download the Excel file. So this is the Excel file where we are supposed to apply all the steps to get this assignment done. So this is the Excel file where we will apply all the steps to get this assignment done. So we will move to step number 2. So step number 2 is on the direct marketing worksheet, create appropriate range name for the design fees cell B8, cost per ad cell B9, total clicks cell B10, profit per click cell B11 and gross profit cell B12. So we are supposed to create the range name in step number 2. So first one is design fees. So we can copy this or we can type this as well. So I will copy this one. So let's go to cell B8 now. This is cell B8 and paste it here and press enter. So we have assigned the name to this one. Next one is cost per ad. That is cell B9. So copy this and go to cell B9. So this is cell B9. Paste it here or we can type as well. Press enter. Next one is total clicks. So copy this one as well. Go to cell B10 and we can type or we can paste it here. Press enter. So next one is profit per click. This one. So go to cell B11. So this is B11 and we will paste it here or we can type as well. So press enter. And the last one is gross profit. That is cell B12. So let's go to cell B12. This is B12 and we will type or we will paste it here. So we have assigned the range name to all these cells and after that we will move to step number 3. In step number 3, it is saying that added the existing name range that is the design underscore fees to design underscore fee 2021. So we are supposed to added this name range to this one. Let me copy the new name range that is design underscore fee 2021. So for this, so we will go to the formula tab. After going to formula tab, we will click on the name manager and we will select the design underscore fee because we are supposed to edit this one. So click edit and now we will paste or type the new name that is design underscore fee 2021. So click OK and we are done with the editing. Click close. So that is step number 3. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. In step number 4, it is saying that use newly created range name to create a formula to calculate the gross profit, cell B12, and the net profit. So basically we are supposed to calculate the gross profit and the net profit in cell B12 and B13 respectively. So first we will calculate the gross profit in cell B12. So this is B12 and we are supposed to calculate the gross profit. So we will click B12 and we will put the equal sign, and gross profit will be equal to total clicks, that is cell B10, that is the total clicks, and we will multiply this to total profit, multiply this profit per click, this one. So that will be the gross profit. We got the gross profit, and now we are going to calculate the net profit in cell B13. So put an equal sign, and now we will calculate the net profit, and net profit will be equal to gross profit, this one, minus design fee 2021, and design fees 2021 is here, minus cost per ad, this one, and after that minus total clicks, this one. So sorry, gross profit minus design fees 2021, after that minus cost per ad, and we will multiply the total clicks. So we will put an multiplication sign here, so we will get the net profit here. So we got the net profit. That is step number 4. So step number 4 is completed. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 6. Oh sorry, step number 5. So in step number 5, it is saying that create a new worksheet named range names, paste the newly created range name information in cell A1 and resize the column as needed for proper display. So now we are supposed to insert a new worksheet, and we will give the sheet name range names, and then we will paste the range name list to cell A1. After that we will resize the column so that we can get a proper display. So let's create or add or insert a new sheet, that is the range name. So click this plus sign, rename the sheet, that is the range name, and now in cell A1 we are supposed to paste the range name list. For this we will go to use in formula. In formula tab, go to define names, and in define names click on the use in formula and click on paste name. So we went to the formula, then use in the formula, then click on paste name, and then click on paste list. So when we will click on the paste list, we will get the range name list here. Then we will resize the column for a proper display. So that is all about step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps in this assignment. Now we will move to our next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is on the direct marketing worksheet, use goal seek to determine the optimal click rate in order to earn a 5,000 net profit. So it is saying that we are going to calculate the optimal click rate using the goal seek to earn a 5,000 net profit. So go to direct marketing worksheet, and this is the net profit, and we are supposed to use the goal seek. For this we will click on the data tab and then click on what if analysis and click on goal seek. So we are going to calculate the optimal click rate to earn a profit of 5,000. So we will type 5,000 here, and we are going to calculate the optimal click rate. So we will select the click rate here. So optimal click rate should be 6.87% to get a net profit of 5,000. Click OK. So that is all about step number 6. So now we will do step number 7 because we have completed step number 6. So in step number 7 it is saying that starting in cell E4, complete the series of substitution values ranging from 2% to 6.5% and an increment of 0.50% vertical down column E. So we are supposed to insert a series starting from cell E4. So let's go to cell E4. This is cell E4 and we are supposed to insert a series here. So first we will type 2% here. And now we are supposed to complete a series. For this, click on Home tab. After clicking on Home tab, go to the series. So now we are supposed to complete a series down to the column E. So we will click on column here and step value is 0.50% and it will stop at 6.5%. So we are completing a series down to the column E starting from 2% with an increment 0.5%. Stop value will be 6.5%. Click OK. And now increase the decimal places. So it is starting from 2% and ending at 6.5%. So that is all about step number 7. Now we will do step number 8. And step number 8, it is saying that enter references to gross profit and net profit in the correct location for a one variable data table. So now we are supposed to enter the reference to the gross profit and net profit to complete the table. So let's go to the table again. So here we will enter a reference to the gross profit and here we will enter a reference to net profit. So to enter the reference to the gross profit, click cell F3 and type equal sign and click on cell B12. So press enter. So we have entered a reference to the gross profit here. Now we are supposed to enter the reference to the net profit. Click cell G3 and type equal sign and click on cell B13 and press enter. So we have entered a reference to net profit and gross profit here. That is all about step number 8. Let's move to the next step, that is step number 9. And step number 9, it is saying that complete the one variable data table and then format the result with the counting number format with 2 decimal places. So now we are supposed to complete the one variable data table and then we will format the result with the counting number format with 2 decimal places. So to do this step, select this one and now we are supposed to create a data table. For this we will go to the data tab. After going to the data tab, click on the what if analysis and click on data table. And here our column input will be the click rate, this one. So we will click on B5 and click OK. So we have completed the one variable data table and variable is click rate. So now we will format the result with the counting number format with 2 decimal places. For this, click on Home tab and go to number setting. Click a counting number format and 2 decimal places. So click OK. So this is formatted as a counting number format with 2 decimal places and we have completed the one variable data table. So let's move to next step, that is step number 10. So in step number 10, it is saying that apply custom number format to display gross profit in cell F3 and net profit in cell G3. So we are supposed to display the gross profit in cell F3. So copy this one and to do this step, let's go to F3. So this is F3 and for this we will go to number setting. And we are supposed to apply a custom number format. So click on custom number and select general from here. Remove this general, type inverted commas and then gross profit and close inverted commas. So it will show gross profit now. And next thing is we are supposed to display net profit in cell G3. So let's go to G3 and again go to the number format setting. Again we are supposed to apply a custom number format. Select custom and then select general, and after that remove this general, type inverted commas, type the net profit and then close the inverted commas, click OK. So it is showing that net profit is there in cell G3 now. So that is all about step number 10. So I have shown you 10 steps for this assignment. I solved 10 steps, completed. Now I am going to do step number 11. So in step number 11, it is saying that copy the response ratio substitution values from the one variable data table and then paste the values starting in cell I4. So we created a series of substitution values in first table. Now we are supposed to copy those that series, and we will paste that series in I4. So that this is the series of substitution value. Select this and click copy, and now we are supposed to paste it here. So select this one and click on paste button. So series is pasted here and click escape. So we have copied this series and pasted it in column I starting from I4. So that is all about step number 11. So now let's move to next step, that is step number 12. So in step number 12, it is saying that type 10,000 in cell J3, complete the series of substitution values from 10,000 to 40,000 at 5,000 increment. So basically we are supposed to complete a series again in a row. So we will type 10,000 in J3. Let's go to J3. So this is J3 and we will type 10,000 here. And now we are supposed to complete a series. For this again, we will go to the home tab and go to the series again. Now we are creating a series in a row starting from J3 and ending at P3. So it should be in a row. Increment should be 5,000 here and it will stop at 40,000. So that is required in the instruction. It should stop at 40,000 and increment should be 5,000. So when we will click on it, so it is starting from 10,000 ending at 40,000 and there is an increment of 5,000, 10,000 and 15,000. So increment is 5,000. So that is all about step number 12. So we have solved 12 steps for this assignment, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 13. So in step number 13, it is saying that enter the reference to net profit formula in the correct location for two variable data table. So we are supposed to enter the reference to the net profit in a correct location so that we can complete the two variable data table. So we will enter a reference here to the net profit, and the net profit is B13. So we will put an equal sign here and then we will click on B13 and click enter. So we have entered a reference to the net profit and step number 13 is completed. So let's move to the next step, that is step number 14. So I have solved 13 steps of this assignment. and total steps in the assignment are 26. Now I am going to do step number 14. So step number 14 is complete two variable data table and format the result with the counting number format with two decimal places. So now we are supposed to complete the two variable data table and format the result with the counting number format with two decimal places. So let's go to the table and complete this table based on two variable. So first we will select this one so that we can create a table. So to create a data table, we will go to the data tab again. After going to data tab, we will go to the what if analysis, and after going to what if analysis, we will click on the data table. So now variable will be 2. So our row input cell will be number of at this one, that is B4, that is for our first variable, and our second variable is click rate, that is 6.83. So now we are going to create a data table based on two variable. First one is the number of ads and the second one is click rate. So when we will click OK, we will get a data table like this one. So after that, we are supposed to format the result with the counting number format two decimal places. So we will select the result first and we will go to the home tab and go to the number format. So we are supposed to select the counting number format with two decimal places. Click OK. So now it is formatted as a counting number format with two decimal places. So that is all about step number 14. And after that, step number 15 is apply a custom number format to make the formula reference appear on net profit. That is step number 15. So let's do step number 15 now. It is saying that apply a custom number format to make the formula reference appear as a net profit. So go to the sheet. This is the net profit formula, and we are supposed to apply the custom number format to this one, and it should display net profit. So for this, we will go to the number format and click on number setting, and we are supposed to apply the custom number format. Select custom, then select general from here. Remove the general. Type inverted commas here. Type net profit and close inverted commas, and then it is showing net profit. That is step number 15. So I have shown you 15 steps for this assignment. I solved each and every step. So next step is step number 16. So in step number 16, we are supposed to create a scenario named best case using the number of ads and click rate. Enter these values for the scenario. So step number 16, step number 17, and step number 18 are about creating the scenario. First scenario will be the best case, and the second scenario will be the worst case, and the last one will be most likely. So I have created this, but I will give you an overview for these three steps because I have done 15 complete steps. Now I am going to show you or going to give you an overview of remaining steps. So these three steps are about the scenario. So these are three scenarios. I have created first one is the best case, second one is the worst case, and third one is the most likely case. So when we will create these three scenarios, then we will generate a summary report that will be called scenario summary. So I have created these three scenarios based on these requirements given in step number 16, 17 and 18, and after that I generated the scenario summary report. This is the scenario summary report. So that is all about step number 16, 17, 18 and 19, because step number 19 is about creating the scenario summary report. So we are done with step number 16, 17, 18 and 19. Let's move to step number 20. So step number 20 is return to the tracked marketing 2 worksheet, load the solver, add in, and if it is not already loaded, launch solver and set the objective to calculate a net profit of 20,000. Then use the number of ads and click rate B4 up to B5 as a changing variable. This one. Then set a constraint to ensure the number of ads purchased is less than or equal to 40,000. Set a constraint to ensure click rate is less than or equal to 7%. This one. So these 4 steps are about the setting of the solver. So we will first load the solver, then we will set the constraint according to these requirements, and then after that we will generate the answer report. So let me show you this one. So this will be our answer report that is based on the solver. So you can do this from here. So this is solver. So we will set the constraint in the solver, we will set the objective in the solver, and after that we will generate the answer report. So I have done this one. So I have shown you complete assignment, but if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description of this video. You can hire me for your complete course as well. Let me give you an overview of complete assignment. So this will be our final tracked marketing worksheet that will have two tables. First one is the one variable data table and the second one is two variable data table. So this will be the range name that will have a list of the range name that we have created. Then scenario summary report based on the 3 cases, scenario cases that we have created: best case, worst case and the most likely case. Then the answer report worksheet that is based on the solver, and the direct marketing 2 worksheet. Thank you so much for watching my video. Just contact me on WhatsApp or email